Hello friends, in the previous video we have solved few problems based on Weiler-Atherton polygon clipping algorithm. Now in this video we are going to learn about text clipping method. So let's start. The text clipping method is based on character generation technique. There are different methods for clip a text. For this we can use three generally used approach for text clipping. First, when all or none string. In second, when all or none character. And third, by text. In the first method, when all or none are string. In this method, we check the string against the clipping window. Here, the goal is to clip a string. In this case, if string is entirely inside the clipping window, then what will we do? We simply save the entire string. But if the string entirely outside or maybe partially inside, in this case we simply reject the entire string. Either it is partially or entirely outside. In both cases, we reject the entire string. We can understand by this diagram. In the diagram, we can see this is clip window and these are two string 1 and string 2, and we want to clip these two string against the clipping window. So this is before clipping. After clipping by this method, we know the string number 2 is completely inside the clip window, so it will be keep safe and display it. But the string number 1 is partially. It is partially inside the clip window. That's why the string 1 will be entirely reject. So if we are applying this method as a string, then we got the result after clipping this. In second method, when we are considering as a character, in this method we check the character instead of string against the clipping window. In this approach, if the string is entirely inside, simply we save the entire string, that is string will be display or visible. If string entirely outside, then the entire string will be rejected, not visible. But one more case is here. In the case of when the string is partially inside. In the first method, we can see for this case we simply reject But if we are considering string as a character, in this case, if the string is partially inside, then reject only the portion of the string which is outside. The character which are outside the clip window, that only character will be rejected. If the character is on the boundary, lie on the boundary, if any character is lying on boundary, then reject that character with their all character outside the clipping window, and rest character will be keep safe. In this diagram we can see before clipping this is the problem. This is clip window. With respect to this clip window, we want to clip string 2, 1 and 3. When we are using method 2 for clipping this, then simply we can check the string 2 is completely inside the clip window. That's why the entire string will be visible. But for the string number 1, the character S is completely outside, T completely outside, and R is lie on the boundary. So in this method we know character which is lying on the boundary as well as all character which are outside the clip window, these all character will be discarded. So after clipping by this method, we get this output ing1. Similarly, for the string 3, the character T lie on boundary, so it will be rejected, and S is completely outside, so it will also be rejected. Then after applying this algo with string number 3, we get output as ring3. There is one more method. In this method, we check the character instead of string against the clipping window. In this, if the string is entirely inside, simply as previous two approaches, we keep save entire string. If entirely outside the string, then the entire string will be discarded or reject. But if it is partially outside the window, in this case, reject only the portion of string being outside. Those characters which are outside the clip window will be rejected or discarded, and the character, this is important for this approach, the character which lie on the boundary, that character will be keep safe with all inside character. So this is differ from approach 2. In the second approach or method, the character which lie on the boundary will be rejected. But in this approach, the character which lie on the boundary which also keep safe. By the diagram we can better understand this. This is clip window, and these are 3 string which we want to clip by this approach. After applying this approach, the string number 2 is completely inside the clip window, so it will be entirely visible. for string number 1, S and T character both are outside, so S and T will be rejected, but R lie on the cliff window, so it will also keep safe. So here the output will be RING1. For the string 3, the S is outside, so it will be rejected, and T, here T is lie on the cliff window boundary, so it will also keep safe. So the output will be TRING3. So this is the basic difference between second and third approach. So this is all over the video. Thank you.